What's cute, handmade, and says you're my person better than any store-bought gift? It's a DIY wristband crafted by your kid from start to finish. Funskool's DIY wristband kit is your one-stop box of colors, charms, and creativity. With threads, beads, and wooden dials included, kids can design 8 unique wristbands made just the way they want. Ready to make something amazing? Here's what's inside: 8 wooden dials, 2 sticker sheets, 20 heart, star, and butterfly shaped beads, 20 smiley, alphabet, and translucent alphabet beads, 20 translucent beads, 10 flower charm beads, 1 rainbow nylon thread, 1 elastic thread, 1 blue and red acrylic paint pen. From wooden dials and sparkling beads to rainbow threads, charm pieces, and even paint pens. Start with a wooden dial, decorate it with stickers or paint. Then add your favorite beads on either side to build a band that's bold and personal. Every band begins the same, but ends completely unique, just like the hands that make them and the bonds that they celebrate. Share the love or stack them all. One for your bestie, one for your sibling, and a few just for you. No rules, just good times and bands made from the heart. The Funskool DIY wristband kit is for the little hands with big hearts. Funskool, true to kids, always.